So I get this question a lot, so I just wanted to create a video on it. It's going to be really short. Can I take a greens product instead of consuming the 7 to 10 cups of salad or vegetables, okay? Well, the answer is unfortunately not. Greens product will enhance, but they don't replace. Even if you're doing the wheatgrass juice powder or the cruciferous, these are meant to enhance. And some of the green products out there are made with higher heats, destroying the enzymes. So now you don't even get the benefit of that. So you're going to have to bite the bullet and consume more salad or vegetables. Find some vegetable that you like. Maybe even if it's carrots, use carrots or celery with hummus, cucumbers with hummus. Add a kale shake, add some more berries to make it taste better. But you need to figure out how to consume minimally 7 cups, but hopefully up to 10 cups each day. All right, go do it. Hey guys, a lot of you already have my book, some of you don't, but this new edition called the New Body Type Guide is an upgrade from my last edition called the 7 Principles of Fat Burning. It has 156 images, 378 pages, full glossary. I talk about keto, intermittent fasting, the body types in detail. I have a new stress chapter. I'm going to show you exactly what to eat and a comprehensive FAQ. I put a link down below. Check it out.